How's it going, Dr. Rob? Here's a redo of my skeleton project. So what we're going to start off doing first is the exoskeleton. But first off, I'm going to show you everything that I've done, and I'll explain each individual piece as we go. I do got front and back side views to explain this here. Here's my drawn out portion here. And also I got a couple pictures that have some labeled areas to make it a little bit more clear this time for you. Here we go. Alright. So first off, what we're going to talk about is the exoskeleton, and we're going to start off going alphabetically off the outcomes and objectives. So first off, what we're going to do is talk about the ethmoid, which is pretty much the base of the eye. So pretty much everything in this area here. For the frontal, we're pretty much talking about the front of the cranial there, where you can see it's labeled. And then for the lacrimal, as you can see right there, if this will focus, there you go. The lacrimal is pretty much in the inside of the eye there. And then we have the mandible, which is the jawbone there. Then we have the maxilla, which is the actual mouth, which is labeled right there. Then we have the nasal, which is pretty much the bone right there, pretty much this whole area here. So that is the nasal bone. Now for the occipital, which is pretty much the back of the skull there. The palatine is pretty much the base of the skull. It's pretty much this whole area right here. The parietal bone is pretty much the base of the side of the skull there. So if we was to put it on the side of the model, it'd pretty much be the side of the skull there. The sphenoid bone is pretty much another base of the skull there. The temporal bone will pretty much be in this area here, the side of the temple. The vomer is pretty much the base of the nose, which is labeled right there. And the zygoma, or zygomatic bone, is pretty much this part of the cheek right there.